Students, for this video I'm going to show you how to organize pages on a portfolio or move things from one page on a portfolio to an existing portfolio or to a different portfolio. So if you're building your professional portfolio and would like to move things from your Spanish portfolio, I'm going to show you an easy way how to do this. So we'll start with one of my pages on my professional portfolio that I use for promotion to demonstrate some student work. So to start, I'll open my portfolio to the page that I'm interested in moving something from. Then I will select the top buttons in the right, the Portfolio Actions menu. From here, I will select Organize. My existing portfolio will show up on the left, and on the right, I'll have an option to show another portfolio or show the current portfolio. So I'm going to show another portfolio, and I have a practice portfolio here. Remember, the gray box is the instructions. So that whole gray part is a slide that only is visible to the person to see instructions. When you publish it, it's not visible. So everything that you add must be under that in a different slide or section of the portfolio. Okay, to move something, I just select the module that I'd like to move, and I make sure it's not in that gray part. So student work, then I want to move this part, and it just kind of allows me to build the portfolio or the page on the portfolio as I would like to without having to worry about doing it in a linear fashion. So I can put this information on concept maps, and I can even add the pictures of the concept maps. There we go, and then that's there, and that's everything. So now I want to publish the changes. Okay, so I'm going to save the settings and publish, right? And then I can X out of here. Okay, and I will open my new portfolio, which is my professional portfolio, and I will see all of the things that I just moved. And to confirm that it shows up when it's published and it's not in the instruction slide, I can click this button and we'll see what we want other people to see about our professional portfolios. So I hope this helps. I'm really I'm excited to see some student professional portfolios. I'm very appreciative for those that have volunteered with this. Thank you.